If your sales team uses Trello to manage quotes, leads, or customer requests, and you have complex pricing or calculation logic built in Excel, this tutorial is going to show you how to connect the two. The idea is simple. When someone creates a new card in Trello and fills in the customer details, Zapier picks that up, sends the inputs to SpreadsheetWeb, runs the Excel calculation on the server, and writes the result straight back to the Trello card. No spreadsheet gets opened. No formulas are visible. The calculation just happens in the background. We are going to walk through the entire setup from start to finish. We will start with the Excel model itself, then publish it as an API in SpreadsheetWeb, set up the Trello board with the right custom fields, and finally wire everything together in Zapier. Let's get into it. The Excel model we are working with is a term life insurance quoting tool. This is a sample pricing spreadsheet, and every pricing spreadsheet is going to look a little different depending on the business and the industry. But what they all share is the same fundamental structure. You have inputs, things like state, age, plan type, coverage amount, and so on. You have outputs, which in this case is total premium. And in between, there are calculation sheets and lookup tables doing all the heavy lifting. That middle layer is where the business logic lives. The rate tables, the conditional logic, the formulas that turn those inputs into results. The user never needs to see any of it. One thing worth noting before we move on is the named ranges. When we click on the age cell, you can see the name box shows issue age. Each input and output cell in this spreadsheet has been assigned a name. Those names are what we will use when we map the Trello fields to the API in Zapier, so it is worth being familiar with them before we start. Now let's publish this Excel file as an API in SpreadsheetWeb. Log into your Hub account and click Create New Application. Upload the Excel file, give the application a name, we are calling this one Term Life, and click Create Application. Once the application is created, you can see it appears in your applications list. Now we need to go into the designer to configure and publish it. Click Design, and inside the designer, you can see the application is in the API section. The access type is set to Allow Anonymous, which means it will accept requests without authentication tokens, perfect for a Zapier integration. Hit Publish. The application is now live and accessible as a REST API. That is all it takes. The entire calculation engine from the Excel file is now running as an API, ready to receive inputs and return a total premium result. Now let's set up the Trello side. We are working with a board called Quoting Application. The idea here is that each card represents a customer quote. The card title is the customer name, and all the policy inputs live as custom fields on the card. We create a new card. Then we use the Add button to create custom fields, one for each input from the Excel model. For fields like state and age, we use text and number types. For fields with fixed options, plan type, gender, we use drop-down fields and add the exact option values from the Excel model as drop-down items. It is important that the option values you enter here match exactly what the Excel model expects. The calculation depends on exact string matching. Finally, we add one more custom field called Total Premium with a number type. This is the output field. It starts empty, and Zapier will write the calculated result back into it automatically once the Zap runs. Once all the fields are in place, the card is ready. Now we do the automation. Open Zapier and create a new Zap. The trigger is Trello, and specifically the new card event. Connect your Trello account, select the quoting application board, and choose the list you want to monitor. When a new card is added to that list, the Zap fires. The second step is the SpreadsheetWeb Hub Calculate action. This is the step that sends the card data to the API and runs the calculation. Select your workspace and choose the application we just published. Now we map the inputs. Zapier automatically reads all the named ranges from the SpreadsheetWeb application and lists them as fields. For each one, we select the corresponding custom field from the Trello card. So issue age maps to the age field on the card, face amount maps to base policy face amount, and so on for all the inputs. The output we are requesting is total premium. The third and final step is a Trello update card action. This step takes the total premium value from the spreadsheet web response and writes it back to the total premium custom field on the original Trello card. We select the quoting application board, identify the card using the card ID from the trigger step, and map the total premium output to the total premium field. From this point forward, every time a new card is created in the designated Trello list with the input fields filled in, the premium will be calculated automatically and written back to the card, without anyone opening a spreadsheet. That is the full setup. An Excel-based insurance quoting model published as an API through SpreadsheetWeb connected to Trello through a 3-step Zapier workflow. The sales team works entirely in Trello. The calculation engine stays in Excel, and the two are connected automatically. The same pattern works for any Excel model with inputs and outputs, pricing tools, financial calculators, engineering models, ROI estimators. If the logic is in Excel and the workflow is in Trello, SpreadsheetWeb and Zapier are the bridge. SpreadsheetWeb, where Excel meets web apps.